Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Jurassic World Dominion logo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Jurassic World Dominion logo, we're going to begin by making kind of like a circular shape in here. Now I'm going to trace this little small paint palette. I'm going to put this in the middle. Now, however, when I trace this though, I'm going to be leaving lots of little kind of bumps in there, and I'm going to be leaving some spaces too. So I'm just going to kind of make like a bumpy kind of line, and you can see as I'm drawing it, I'm really making it bumpy. I'm not trying to make it smooth. I'm going to leave like a few spaces in here as well. And I'm just going to kind of make some little textures and everything all around here. Something sort of like this. Now what I want to do is come in here and kind of connect all these different little shapes. And when I connect them, I'm going to make some kind of little V shapes in here, or like multiple V shapes, just to make it look like it is kind of like a piece of amber. Because the amber is where all the dinosaurs came from in the Jurassic Park movies. So we're going to make this one a little bit bigger. And we're just going to kind of connect it like that. And now we have a nice kind of like textured circle in here. Now, starting right around here, I'm going to make a long broken line. You can see I'm leaving lots of little spaces in here. And this is just to kind of give myself a little bit of like an outline shape of where I want to keep everything. So I want to start right up here, and we're going to make the shape of our T-Rex silhouette. So we're going to begin by making a little line. It's going to be kind of bumpy. It's going to go up and then down. We're going to put a couple more bumps right here. And then we're going to come down at an angle. Then we're going to go down and we're going to curve this around. Next we're going to kind of bring this up and down here. We're going to bring a little line down and back. And then we're going to come down to here. We're going to bring this line down and then up for the jaw. Then we're going to come all the way up to here to finish off the jaw. Now we're going to make some of the spines on the back of our T-Rex. So we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and down. We're going to make some of these a little bit flatter, more rectangular. We're going to make these kind of big and tall. And then we're going to start making them get a little bit smaller as they come down to here. Now starting here, we're going to make a couple little lines that come down and up, a little bit pointy. And then we're going to make a couple more come down here as well, like this. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up, and we're going to put two pointed claws on it. And we're going to bring this back. Then we'll do another one here. We're going to come over, we're going to put two pointed claws on here. And go right to there. Now we're going to add the teeth. Now the teeth, we're not going to let them touch the top. We're going to make them just kind of have a little bit of space in there. So we're going to start out with some nice sharp pointed teeth on here. And then we're going to make them get a little bit smaller as they come down, or towards the back of the mouth. And if they get filled in, it's no big deal, because we're going to be coloring this all in with black. So we're just going to do the same thing down here. We're going to make some nice sharp, big, tall teeth. And then as we get back, we're just going to make them a little bit smaller. Now right here we're going to make where the eye is going to be. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back, kind of like a sideways V. We're going to make a little line that's going to come in, and then we're going to bring it back to here. Make a little line that's going to come down. A couple little bumps, we're going to come up and then connect it. And then we're going to make a little kind of oval shape here. And then that's pretty much it. That is your drawing of the Jurassic World logo from the new Jurassic World Dominion in the amber. Now, one thing you can do is you can kind of come back in here and add a few more little kind of broken lines and everything just in this little piece in here just to make it a little bit more detailed. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.